Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Focus, Awareness, Simplicity, and Divine Flow. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr., September 29, 2020. Being aware of truth and simplicity leading to the flow or the reality to attain enlightenment is synonymous to attainment of happiness in our lives. Simplicity, unison and harmony lead to cleansing and healing of creation to alignment to understanding fully the divine mind, statements that concur with universal and cosmic messages. Joy, happiness, and laughter are all simple acts that allow you to enjoy a higher vibrational frequency. 6 decades ago, Reader's Digest has a continuing column on laughter, the best medicine, and many more columns that are leading words and avenues to high vibration which led to a faster awakening for some people. The Digest gave articles generating simple laughter at my youth and professional working years. You can have all the plans in the world but without real action and focus nothing happens, divine flow does not connect. You must accomplish majority of your real intentions and plans to be part of the collective consciousness of humanity, otherwise you go down under the wave. Eliminating judgment in your decisions will go a long way in making you a better person as you accomplish your plans. You cannot have your cake, eat it, and doing nothing. Actions of helping others and providing employment, deciding to go out laugh and enjoy with like positive, and righteous people, are simple acts to have a feel and the experience of high vibration. Remember 4-H, heart, health, happiness, and humor. We have that club at our community still active despite the pandemic with limited presence as required by rules and medical care of health experts. Trust your intuition in making decisions guided by love, the root of the divine flow. Humanity facilitated information communication exchange with the Internet with Jobs, Gates and initially IBM. Elon Musk launched 500 satellites planned to 30,000, in space for Internet highways, and connectivity for instant circulation of ideas and situation to rural areas like the Australian wild and deserts. A Filipino inventor with prototype flying car and an Australian go on joint venture to assemble the car for fast transport to the vast continent. We reach the people we desire, learn, educate as fast as we can and share our ideas. We want introduced creating wealth in electronics and communications, unknown in human history. Our shift team and friends call this massive development of the human race, a preparation tool for a higher vibration. Space technology is next as we unleash the use of gravity and magnetism for energy hidden for decades, blanketed by the fossil fuel industry of vested interest and selfishness. All these happened with focus and planning of the ingenuity of humans, making them wealthy in the process. IBM ignored in the 80s the Windows and household computers of Bill Gates, says my IBM compadre Suresh. Gates turned out wealthy human doing it himself with his partners while IBM lost her glaring shine and luster. Warren Buffett, the simple rich man, gave Gates the free hand to donate for technology schools and research on cancer and infectious diseases with initial $33 billion for managed donation, magnanimous and unseen in the history of men. He suggested the rich be taxed by USA. Wealth of people is like paper as corporate stocks have sold high but dewatering is coming that may wipe out the wealth they have. Market looks good creating paper wealth, fear and panic come to investors, then goes up and down. Do not get burned, get out now, as you are manipulated by vested elite who made a mechanism to swindle people. We make obsolescence of many illusions and beliefs all blown out of thin air. Before that, is magic. In 1955, we played Viber on top of trees and perched windows calling on tin cans, child's play, amazing. Growing up in 1986 to the 90s, joining the foray, we organized 2 manufacturing plants assembling these technologies for local and foreign multinational firms creating thousands of jobs for the country and exporting the products to the world. They are still at PH. We did not stop there. Multinationals funders put up industrial estates to house technologies and technology manufacturing mostly for PH export. Investors transferred to Thailand, who made it a policy not to assemble their own brand of cars, a strategy to attracting investments and create jobs for people. Massive development came to Southeast Asia that assisted trigger the shift. This is only a step in the ladder of real technology, as if it is not aligned with the creator it loses its power and magic despite the billions of economic human gains we had on communications, land transport and flying technologies. The pandemics of course worked as a trigger of realization causing world economy sink to the ground. The secret then is healing, alignment and understanding of the divine. Trust in yourself, your intuition, your thoughts through the heart flowing energy from the creator, simple reminders from source but we made it hard. The cosmic energies of source are flowing on us, permeating every cell of our being and with these energies you are fully assisted to explore within, and without, and find light and love. A simple way to attain higher vibration and elevation of consciousness is daily scheduled meditation or a pose of relaxation, and the light flow of the divine will be with you. For Unity Consciousness Live, walk and move with light, love, unity and laughter, and create a world of beautiful earth of love and peace. We are a collective humanity, awareness of things we do, focused and going within ourselves in solitude, peace and quiet, thence knowing who we are. Integration of your light with all aspects of divine soul, and the flow will be a reality in your midst. Light, love and truth from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., NB. Complete majority of your plans and ride the wave. Release your attachments as ascension is here. Release all liming and self-defeating ideas. Unconditional love, forgiveness, and acceptance will totally release us from the fight we all made, otherwise a grave of dust awaits. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and organized corporations that create jobs. Link at ornedoja@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.